Hey everyone, welcome back to the Summer Pi series, and before we do any programming, I just wanted to introduce you to a resource called Google Colab. It's a great resource because you could program in it and you could use a free GPU. GPUs were a key aspect in what allowed for the boom in artificial intelligence and machine learning, so it'd be great if we could all use it. But one of the problems is that it could be really expensive to have your own. And then you could also use services such as Amazon Web Services or AWS, but that could be very costly in the long run as well. But thankfully, we have this resource called Google Colab where you could program for free. It's kind of like a Jupyter notebook. You could program in Python in it, but you could also use a free GPU. Sorry, my phone was ringing, but as I was saying, you could use a free GPU, and I'll be using this resource throughout this series just so you guys are aware of its uses. So we're just going to open up a web browser right now, and then what we're gonna go to log into your Google account. If you don't have one, it's free to make one. Just click in this circle and you should be able to make an account. But anyways, so go to your Google Apps. We'll go to Drive. And we're going to start a new project, but as you can see, we only have docs, sheets, and slides at the moment, so we're going to go to more, and we're going to connect more apps. We're going to search for Colab, and Colaboratory should show up. Go ahead and connect to that. Yeah, okay, so click OK. Close out of that, and now when you start a new file, go to more. Colaboratory is there, so let's start a collab or notebook, Python notebook file, and we have this nice interface. I'll be using this file for the rest of the series, so I'm going to call it LST Summer Pi. Yeah, feel free to name it whatever. And in order to use the free GPU, which is a Tesla K80 12 gigs, which is a really good GPU that we're able to use, so thank you to Google for that. We're going to go to File, I think. No, we're going to Notebook Settings, so go to Edit, then go down to Notebook Settings, and for your hardware accelerator, we're going to select GPU. Okay, so that's it. We should be good to go. So just so we could test it, go to the description of this video, and you'll see these. Feel free to copy and paste these lines into it. Basically, this just installs PyTorch, which is a deep learning library that we will be using in this series as well. I'll probably be using it throughout all the videos for the deep learning purposes. So play that. It's going to install these libraries for you, and let's just wait for that to finish up. Okay, so it looks like it finished downloading. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new code block, and then we're going to import Torch, which is the deep learning library that we just installed, and then we're going to say print torch.isAvailable, or no, torch.CUDA.isAvailable, and it's basically asking if CUDA is available. And CUDA is a parallel computing platform made by NVIDIA, which is basically the software behind the GPUs and allows it to perform the parallel processing. So let's run that. And it says true, so that's good. That just means CUDA is available. We could use the GPU to run whatever processes that we want it to, and that's basically it. We're ready to use this GPU for our deep learning purposes. Feel free to code in this if you're following through the series, and yeah, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and in the next one, we'll finally start digging into the data. We're going to download it and start working through it. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.